Hi, I'm Sriya. I'm an intern and I think Bailey and Love is one of the most well-written books for UGs. Here's how I read the book and made notes and got a gold medal in surgery, so let's go. This goes in stages. Stage 1 is class. In class, I want you to pay complete attention, try to make notes. I made a lot of notes in class, and on the same day itself, come back and annotate those notes into Bailey and Love. This can be done via underlining or writing on the sides. This is barely a half an hour to 1 hour process. You can watch some videos to get conceptual clarity on it in case the class did not cover it. So I mostly used YouTube for this, but Marrow also works. Stage 2 is a few months later, a few weeks later. You're going to reread it, but this time you're going to make points. So you think of plausible questions, like mostly the questions are just clinical features, management, etc., complications. So I think of those questions for each topic and make points within it, just like this. Your second reading should only include what was taught and what is relevant. Stage 3 is right before pre-final exams. So this is when I used Bailey to make notes, only for important topics. I took help from Marrow to concise them. I used ChatGPT to make long 10 markers and 4 markers according to Bailey, and stored all these answers on my Notion. While making notes, I only made notes about the surgical anatomy and the management, because the rest of the things don't really need notes. Stage 4 is right before exams, and during the stage, all I read was my notes, Bailey images, summary boxes and tables, personal annotations in Bailey, active recall of all the previous year questions with my friend. Most importantly, got 7 hours of sleep and a nice full breakfast before the exam. The key elements for this are spaced repetition, active recall, small but consistent efforts, more focus on surgical anatomy before you even jump the gun to the other topics. You need to understand that Bailey makes you understand everything and reduces the need to memorize stuff, and that is why it's a great book. It gives you reason for why something presents the way it does or why you use a particular management over the other. I've posted all the notes that I could recover on the description of my YouTube videos. I have lost a couple of the investigation notes, etc. But yes, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.